This Smart TVs guide fixes a Roku remote by checking batteries, pairing, network, and software in the same order as the article. Open the battery door first. If you see a small pairing button, follow the enhanced remote path. If not, treat it as an IR remote. Replace both batteries before deeper fixes. Enhanced remotes draw power continuously, so a weak pair can look fine and still drop the link. Remove and reinsert the batteries, then hold the pairing button for 5 seconds. Wait for the light to blink before touching anything else. Unplug the Roku power cable for 10 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the home screen before you try pairing again. Some newer Roku voice remotes do not have a pairing button. Hold back and home together for about 5 seconds instead. If pairing keeps failing, check the Roku network screen. Go to Settings, Network, About, and look for Good or Excellent Signal. Next, force a software check from Settings, System Update. Install an update if Roku offers one, then test the remote again. Scan the QR code for the full Smart TVs article, including IR remote checks, mobile app fallback, and factory reset warnings.